Welcome to Eunice Unscripted. I am so excited to have you here on this channel. For those of you who followed me over from Theory of Simple, thank you for coming over. For those of you who followed me over and thought that my channel name was Juice Life with Eunice, it used to be until I got people contacting me going, I thought this channel was about juicing. And I'm like, I don't juice. I don't even drink juice. So I changed the channel name to Eunice Unscripted because it's going to be more unscripted talking about all kinds of things in life. Kind of a variety show, so to speak. I want to talk about fitness and health and fashion and beauty and all kinds of things that at this stage of life might change a little bit for us. Plus, I want to talk about some other things that have brought us to this stage. At this stage in our life, we've gained a lot of knowledge through a lot of things that have happened to us in our lives. For example, I've had cancer and I have an autoimmune disease, and I've had deaths like my son who passed away and my brother who passed away. Things that have brought a different type of knowledge. A little bit about me is I've had all kinds of jobs in my life. I've done everything from mowing greens at a golf course to teaching craft classes to being an actress on film, television, and stage, as well as being a personal trainer, a yoga instructor, a Pilates instructor, all kinds of things. And in my final part of my career, being an engineering program manager for a tech company. But my most important job was being a mom and now a grandmother. And for those of you who told me being a grandmother is better than being a mother, it is. I really enjoy being a grandmother. So I'd like to bring a lot of these things and have discussions about stuff that maybe we don't think we want to talk about, but we should, because I think nothing should be taboo, that we should talk about all kinds of things. So I want my channel to be able to create community, a place where I can share and a place where you can share. And in the comments, we can get some conversation started and help each other out as we go through this transitional part of life called menopause, and understand that really it's all about juicing life and drinking that joy at every stage, but especially now at this stage. Because now that we are past our careers possibly and past raising children, we actually have time to juice life and drink the joy, and that's what I want to do. So you'll find fitness, like I said, beauty, fashion, travel, things that I've done on my travels that I want to do to juice life, and I want to bring it to you. And that's what I'm going to share on this channel. So I am so looking forward to having you here, having these conversations. I can't wait for you to watch the videos, give me your comments, and just have a discussion about life as we transition in through menopause and beyond. So welcome to my channel. Let's go for the ride.